Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to add services in Wix. First, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. Look for the Bookings tab on the left-hand menu. Once there, click on Services and then select Add a new service. You'll then choose if your service is a one-on-one session or for multiple participants, setting the foundation for your offering. Next, it's time to define your service details. Give your service a clear name and a compelling description that highlights its benefits. Don't forget to upload high-quality images to make it visually appealing. You'll also set the duration of the service and any necessary buffer time, plus assign the staff members who will be performing it. Now, let's talk about pricing and payment. You can choose a fixed price, a custom price, or even offer the service for free. If it's a paid service, enter the cost, perhaps $75 per session. Wix allows you to easily set up online payment options, ensuring a smooth transaction process for your clients and simplifying your financial management. Finally, you'll set the availability for your new service, aligning it with your staff's schedules. Take a moment to review all the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate and exactly as you intend. Once you're satisfied, simply click Save or Publish to make your service live and available for booking on your Wix website. It's that easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.